In this video, you will learn how to create a checklist in ClickUp, open a task, navigate to the ClickUp workspace and select a task which you want to add to a checklist. If you do not have a task, you can click the New Task button to create a task. In the Task View details, find the checklist section. This can typically be found in the main task description area on the right sidebar, depending on your ClickUp interface. If the checklist section is not visible, you can add checklists in the view tab. You can also name the checklist. Give your checklist a title and description for what it's for, such as design task. Add an item to your checklist. Start by typing each of the items in the checklist in the available fields. Press enter after typing each item to add it to the checklist. Check off complete items. Once your item is complete on the checklist, simply click the checkbox next to the item to mark it as complete. This will help you visually track your progress within the task. You can additionally add checklists to the same task. Simply click on Add Checklist button again if you want to break up your task into multiple categories. You can drag and drop checklist items to reorder them, making it easier to prioritize tasks. If you regularly use the same checklist, you can save a checklist as a template for reuse in other tasks. This can be especially useful for recurring tasks or projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.